working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this video is continuation to the last video that we have a lecture series subject called vehicle maintenance and reconditioning. So in this video we will see the importance of the checklist, inspection schedule, and maintenance of records, and then logbooks and other forms required for proper maintenance. Next, the first is the preparation of checklist, right? So when you are going to having the maintenance in the or it may be either scheduled maintenance or preventive maintenance, you should maintain the checklist. The checklist will contain the parameters or the parameters that we need to periodically check and verify, right? So that we have to keep the documents, that is the checklist is the document we have to maintain for a proper maintenance. So you see many components in your car that need frequent upkeep, and then while it's important to know which parts they you also need to know what parts should be tracked in a vehicle maintenance logbook, right? So when you going to going for the maintenance or this that is called the routine maintenance, so you have to have the logbook that these components need to be changed or these components need to be that is repaired in the frequently, and then some parts only need attention about once a year while other should check every month. So you should know the which components or which parts need to be verified or need to check the frequently, right? So that is coolant oil. So then those things you have to maintain, or the lighting or the lighting section or wiring section. Then so these things you have to check. You have to maintain the record. Then checklist split into common maintenance check that should be done daily, monthly, and quarterly or annual basis. So we have different types. So the daily basis or monthly basis, quarterly means 3 months on, then annual basis. The next one is, so once you have the maintenance of record service center, so we need to have the discussion about the what they going to do. So then the logbooks, as we said earlier, so the logbook should contain these details, distance covered by the by the car or vehicle for the period, then fuel consumption, then average fuel consumption, then best and worst mileage, then total mileage cost, then running costs, then faults in the vehicle, then date of the previous maintenance. So these the things should be there in the logbook. Next, this is the trip sheet. That is the model trip sheet I have included. So here we have a name and address of agency, then engaged by sorry, engaged by, arranged by, the vehicle number, date, driver name, then the timing, and then the total, the timing, then signature. So these things, then the total amount. So these are the things to be there in the trip sheet. The next one is road test report. So while we are running a vehicle in the public platform, so we have to keep the road test report that mainly on the emission parameter. So these things the road inspector will going to verify. Once these things are not properly or have properly maintained, so we will face the fines or some other things. Let's see here, the road test inspector or machine makes the road test report after completion of maintenance operation. So this report contains the vehicle register number, chassis number, job number, date of test, etc. So these things to be in, it should be in the report. Then the parameters to be checked. So these parameters to be included in the report: front side, rear side, abnormal noise, steering and brake caliber noise, misfiring, sudden stoppage of vehicle, then brake condition, wheel and bearing check, pickup of the vehicle, and then mileage of the vehicle. So these things is checked for the road test report. So I will keep these parameter or these records. So the vehicle should be in the proper conditions. Thank you for watching this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you.